make up the face.
First, I'm going to take my, wait for it. I'm modeling just like those other beauty bloggers. Okay, fan the face, ducky lips, focus, even though it's already perfectly focused, stare at it. Look at the camera, stare at it, smile. Okay, this is my Wet n Wild contouring palette. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. There's like no highlight because I don't know why. I guess because there's more highlight areas of my face and shadows, but anyway. I'm going to take my cheesecake and I'm going to dip it in the shadow. Activate fish mode! We are amplifying the shadows below the cheekbones on the temples of our forehead. Wait a minute! There's got to be a better way.
I got a brushy brush, a compact brush, to contour brush, modeling brush!
Oh yeah, this is perfect! Now to contour the nose, the idea is to make it very, very narrow, as if you have no nostrils at all. I mean, you have nostrils, but no, like, cartilage around the nostrils. So you can just try to eyeball and see where the top of your nose is, and off to the sides, or you can try to suck it as you go. And that should help you get a little bit more accurate. Although I know it's hard to keep that pose and you go.
And look, you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful nose.
Because the hairs on this brush are compact and not floofy and bushy, it is going to set the powder down and in place rather than smearing it around. That's what the cheesecake was doing. And the highlights. We're adding highlights to the most elevated areas of the face, nose, forehead, cheeks, and chin. And now you're ready for the hunt. And then you're gonna take your big old fat Quebec brush, you're gonna blend it in. Blend. Yay, I'm no longer a structureless marshmallow. Now to give ourselves some eyebrows. Or more defined eyebrows. I still have eyebrows, but more seeing visible eyebrows. Yes. I've never used eyebrow pencils because those things kind of intimidate me, so I just use a brown eyeshadow and an angled brush modeling. You need to look at this closer. All I'm doing is tracing my eyebrows with the powder, filling in any sparse areas and accentuating the arc just a wee bit. Sexy. Average. Angled. And then to add a little bit of extra color and structure, I'm going to be using some of this rose blush. I'm going just under the cheekbone above the shadow. Now we are ready to get started on today's design.